Hello, my dears, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm bringing you a very simple, yet absolutely delicious soup. Tomato cabbage, packed full of vitamins and all sorts of goodness. Here's what you'll need. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. First, let's carefully chop the cabbage. Cut it in half, and then each half into two again, so you end up with 4 quarters. At this point, I usually remove the core because I don't put it in the soup. In each quarter, make 3 cuts, then slice it. Don't worry about cutting it too small because it will shrink in the hot water anyway. In fact, if you're using fresh, tender cabbage, it's actually nice to bite into the big leaves. Just go for it. Don't worry if it seems full of cabbage. It will shrink down as it cooks. Pour in cold water into your pot to fill in about half of it. Add 2 small teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Cook for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the roux. In a smaller pot, pour in just enough oil to cover the bottom. Then add 2 generous tablespoons of flour. Stir constantly until it turns a lovely pale pink and smells fantastic, but be careful not to burn it. Since we're making a tomato soup today, I'm using a white roux, not the usual red one. We don't need to add the extra redness to the soup because it's already naturally gorgeously red. When ready, remove from heat and add 2 to 3 deciliters of cold water. Mixing well. By now, our cabbage is coming along nicely. I can already give it a stir. Once the cabbage is tender, add about half a liter of thick tomato juice. Looks so yummy already. Through a sieve, pour in the roux as well, so there are no lumps of flour left in the soup. That would be yucky. Pour in about 1 deciliter of cream. Mine is a bit thick because I took it straight from the freezer. Mix it in well. Bring it to a boil, and it's ready. Like all soups, it's at its best if you let it sit a little while, so the flavors can meld together. Absolutely delicious with dark bread. Bon appétit, my dears. If you'd like to see more simple and delicious recipes like this easy but fantastic soup, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got plenty more treats to share with you.